How about a little bit more animal spirit medicine? Today, crocodile. Resting, submerging, cooling off, collecting energy. The crocodile reminds us to step back from the external world and turn inward, so you don't have to collect other people's energy. Especially at the gym. Do your work in. Bitch! Now is not the time for decisions, action, or discussion. The crocodile's mantra is, wait. This doesn't mean lying around hoping life's challenges will disappear. The crocodile is much smarter than that. It means intentionally withdrawing into yourself, gathering your own awareness, observing and building energy in your own body. It's very wise at this time to learn this practice. Fill up the vital reserves so your next move comes from a place of wisdom and power, from your internal realm, and not drawing off of someone else's attention as to get their approval. When in balance, wise, patient, a silent powerhouse. I'm sensing lunges. To bring into balance your inner crocodile wisdom, rest and push-ups, maybe some planks or something.